I did not struggle to start that thing at all. And yet, when I filled it the other day, when it was hot, I did not perform that procedure, so it was obviously vapor locked. Key pin is out. Did you get him?
I partly got him. He's half dead.
There we go. How's that feel?
Better.
I mean, it's not an AC, but it's better than nothing, right? Okay, so fuel oil pressure master switches are on. We're checking the engine page here, but I'm going to go ahead and taxi over to the...
Spot 8.
All right. Yep. Now there is no run-up area from the other direction.
Okay.
So we might want to do our...
Right here. That'll be fine.
Okay.
I want you to go. We're in the nav group there. So
right. Down here.
We're in the nav group. That changes the groups.
Okay.
Waypoint, aux, nearest. Fat knob is the groups.
Yep.
Skinny knobs is pages.
Okay.
So if you turn this all the way to the left, you're going to go to the default nav page right there.
Okay.
So put that on page 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more right there. So that's frequency page. So
okay.
We know we want the ATIS in.
It's already
there, so flip it up.
Flip it.
The next thing you're probably going to need down there is ground.
Push.
Push. Cursor goes on now. Fat knob to the right. All the way down to ground. Press enter. Enter. Yep. This only turns the cursor on and off, so this doesn't put anything in
okay.
the computer. So you have ground and you have ATIS in there now.
Okay.
The top frequency, I'm just going to look here, and the tower is most likely going to be 123 that we had the other day, and maybe that's going to be departure.
Maybe, yeah, we don't know.
We'll find out. So the radios are set. Next part is the flight plan.
Yep.
The flight plan, we're going to put in the number 1 Garmin, and this group you get to by a button. Flight plan. Flight plan, FPL.
FPL, okay.
We're there at Sanford. You're going to put the cursor on.
Push.
Push. And it's already defaulted to the right page. Now the skinny knob, no, fat knob, skinny knob once to the right. Now the fat knob once to the right, put in LEE.
Okay.
Enter.
Enter, and then
the next point is going to be KOCF. Enter. Okay, so now if we want to get back to the default nav page, I want you to press and hold the clear button. That always brings you back to that page.
Okay.
So the radios and the navigation have been set up now.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do, press and hold the clear button here.
To default it, okay.
Now we're going to go to the Skywatch page, the 3rd page.
Okay.
This is Cirrus' standard for setting these up.
Yep.
For departure.
And I'll be able to actually use this standard setup as I transition to IFR
Absolutely.
training.
Advise on initial contact of ATIS information Delta.
Turn the skinny knob once to the right. Now turn the fat knob back, press enter. Now
the skinny knob to the right?
No, the fat knob now. So you get down to 123.97. Press
there it
enter.
is.
Press enter. Now flip it.
Now flip it, okay. That's going to be our clearance and delivery. Sanford clearance, Tree 83 Juliet Tango SR20 at spot 8 with requests.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was doing an ATIS. Someone had just called and missed the call sign and say request.
Yes, ma'am. This Tree 83 Juliet Tango SR20 Cirrus, and we want VFR to direct to Leesburg at 4,500. And Tree 83 Juliet Tango also has Delta.
Cirrus 383 Juliet Tango, Sanford clearance. Maintain VFR at or below 1,500. Departure frequency will be 119.77, squawk 3475.
Okay, at or below 1,500, VFR 4,500, expecting 119.77. We'll stay below 1,500.
And squawk 34.
And your beacon code is 3475, Cirrus 3 Juliet Tango.
3475 is our code. 383 Juliet Tango.
November 3 Juliet Tango, thank you. Readback is correct. Contact ground for your taxi. Good day.
Connection 214, Stanford.
So our takeoff roll
Runway
is going to be greater than 1600 because that's the short field takeoff roll.
Yep.
So I'm going to use 2200 feet. So that's going to be our takeoff roll. And our landing distance. Our landing distance is going to be, or stopping distance is going to be about 1,000 feet. So 26 and 1,000, 2,600 feet.
Yep.
We should have plenty of runway.
Okay.
Let's just double check the temperature. It's 201. Let's call for taxi.
Sanford ground 383 Juliet Tango, SR20 at spot 8, ready for taxi.
383 Juliet Tango, Sanford ground. Runway 9 right, taxi via Sierra 3, Sierra 1.
Okay, 9 right via Sierra 3, Sierra 1, 383 Juliet Tango.
Good readback.
Thank you.
Ground function 347 off runway 9 Atlanta up.
Clear.
Clear the right.
Spot 2.
Connection 327, Sanford ground,
Damn
taxi ground
buzzards.
via Charlie Kilo.
Look way down the taxiway line, at the very end of the taxiway. Have that line come right down your right thigh.
Connection 216, Sanford ground. Runway 9 left at intersection Bravo 2 departure, taxi via Bravo 2.
Okay, they're going to give us the radio change, or
Nope, you have to do it.
120.3, so.
Just go to radio 1.
Contact 335.
Okay.
And I'm going to close the door, and you can tell me ready for departure.
345.
Sanford Tower, 383 Juliet Tango, holding short 9 right.
383 Juliet Tango, Sanford Tower, hold short 9 right.
Holding short 3 Juliet Tango.
383 Juliet Tango, flight runway 81 9 right at C1, clear for immediate takeoff, traffic 2 mile final to Seneca.
383 Juliet Tango, clear for 9 right, runway heading. Juliet Tango.
As soon as you said immediate, start putting the throttle in. He wants you to go now.
Yeah, because he's got traffic coming behind me.
Yep.
So Country Club.
Yep.
Country Club roll.
And Tower 61 Fox Hotel, we're going to do a touch and go to give a little more spacing on him too.
It's approved.
Call out the engine is good. Airspeed's alive. Get that full power in there.
Okay. Airspeed is alive.
9 right, clear for the option.
Now just squeeze. That's it, just like that. Perfect. Now, you took out a little bit of right rudder. Get a little bit of right rudder in there, tiny bit, right there. That's good. This is a good pitch attitude right here.
Okay. Flaps up.
Yep. Now keep the nose right where it was. Don't raise it yet. You want
343, traffic off the right to Cirrus.
Speaking inside.
343, follow
Now we
high,
want
9 right, clear for the
96
option.
knots with pitch. 96, right about 10 degrees. Hold it right there. Or 9 degrees. Nose up. Wait for the airplane to respond. Little tiny bit more right rudder. Tiny bit, that's plenty.
So he knows where we're going, so he will vector us, right?
Right.
Out of the airspace.
He will. Just told us to do runway heading, so.
Yep. I
Fine.
bugged it.
353, Juliet Tango, turn left heading
Go
050.
flows a little high.
Okay. Could you repeat for Juliet Tango?
3 Juliet Tango, turn left heading 050.
Left 050 Juliet Tango.
61 Foxtrot Hotel, turn right heading 125.
125, Seneca 61 Foxtrot Hotel.
050.
Connection 470, Bayern, localizer 9 right.
470, traffic 3 miles ahead, base to final, Skyhawk.
Looking for traffic, connection
you.
470.
3 Juliet Tango, contact land departure.
Over to departure, 383 Juliet Tango.
Direct Merritt Island 3.5 for 96 Lima Golf, thank you.
Tell you what, I'm going to give you just a slight turn. I got a Airbus that's going to be above you at 4,000, number 6 Lima Golf. Just fly heading a 100, and I'll put you on course in about 5 miles.
Okay, 100 heading for 96 Lima Golf.
Orlando departure 383 Juliet Tango 1000 for 1500.
November 383 Juliet Tango, Orlando departure ident, and you just headed over to Leesburg with flight following?
That is affirmative, 383 Juliet Tango.
And he said ident.
Orlando approach, Genie 91 level 4000.
Genie 91 Orlando approach, thank you. 6 Tango, your radar contact plotting 360, maintain 2,500, you can expect runway 3.
Approaching 1500.
So cut back our power.
Contact plotting 360, maintain 2,500.
360 and 2500.
6 Hotel.
360 at 2,500 for 383 Juliet Tango.
Says number 3 Juliet Tango, northbound 2,500.
Okay, heading northbound 2,500, 383 Juliet Tango.
Number 1 Foxtrot Hotel ident, and you want another ILS
north.
full stop?
One ILS and then
powerful.
Direct eastbound out of the
And
Charlie.
put the nose at 7
1 Foxtrot Hotel,
7 degrees.
ILS 9 right, climb out instructions remain the same.
Roger, Fox Hotel, climb at 2,000.
And now we're going to do a cruise climb at 106, 101 to 106.
Okay.
And for 106.
2111, good day.
Number 42 Lima, turn 10 degrees left, climb and
And
maintain
10 degrees right.
10 degrees west up
to north.
42 Lima.
Number 42 Lima, contact departure 120.15.
So the climb check is a flow pattern.
Yep.
Genie 91.
Boost pump can come off.
270 Genie 91.
We're going to leave the throttle full, the mixture full,
The heading
How does that mixture
270
look?
was up for Fox Hotel.
all the way forward. That's where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, but how does it look up there? Did you check it?
Yeah, I did. I had to bring it back. It was above 18.
On the heading.
It's okay now. And the flaps are up. And we're going to 2,500. 2,500, here it is. Lower the nose.
Orlando, connection 214.
Now let's go ahead and put it on autopilot for a minute.
Okay, so heading,
You have a good day.
heading
And altitude hold.
Good day,
and altitude for VS.
In this case, we're close to 2,500, so we'll just leave altitude on.
Number 3 Juliet Tango, you
Is
can
it-
proceed
is
on
it
course
grabbed?
direct to Leesburg.
So I know
Juliet
here it's
Tango
grabbed.
going direct to Leesburg. Okay, so now he said go direct to Leesburg, so I want you to press direct and enter.
Enter,
And enter again.
enter.
I want you to press the nav button twice.